Make a great choice today with the 2019 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power door locks, leather-wrapped steering wheel, cloth upholstery, compass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.